what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I'm so excited because we're gonna be opening my November Ipsy Glam Bag and also my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I literally just received this in the mail about half an hour ago, so let's just see what I got. Alright, so let's get this video started. I think I mentioned to you guys in my October Ipsy unboxing video that I actually received Ipsy's influencer bags. So this is gifted by Ipsy. I do not purchase this subscription myself, and because of that I do not get to select any of the products that I receive on my Ipsy Glam Bag or my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Of course, I wanted to mention it to you guys, but you guys know that if you sign up for Ipsy, either of the bags, you do get the option to customize some of the products that you receive. But I just wanted to mention that in case you didn't know. But let's just start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is what November's pouch looks like. Super cute. It definitely has fall colors and it's very simple and plain, as you can see. And I actually really like it because you can use these little bags to just carry makeup on the go. And also, in case you don't know, this one retails for $12 a month, and you do get 5 beauty products with a value of over $50, which is pretty awesome. So the first product that I got on my Ipsy Glam Bag is by Tatcha, and this is their Deep Cleanse Face Cleanser, and I'm actually really happy that I got this in my bag, you guys. If you go back to watch my skincare videos and just my skincare favorites, you will definitely see this product in there. I literally repurchase it all the time because it's just amazing. I love that it leaves my face super clean, but at the same time it doesn't dry out my skin. In case you're new here, I do have combination skin type, so for me it's very important to use a face cleanser that doesn't dry out the skin, and this is just that. It does have a loofah fruit extract in the formula, so it does have a little bit of a texture, but it's super gentle on the skin, and I am able to use this product morning and night, so I'm really happy that I got this. The second product that I received is by Glow Recipe. This is their Banana Soufflé Moisturizing Cream. It says that this is calming and hydrating, and I actually haven't really tried that many things from Glow Recipe. I believe I did receive a sample one time and I really liked it. I just have to smell it. It does smell like banana. And this is actually a pretty good size for being a sample size. You receive 0.3 fluid ounces, and I know normally moisturizers have like a full ounce, so it's not bad. Ooh, it smells really good. It literally smells like bananas, but it's not too overpowering, so I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. So next up, I received this lip oil that is from Tarte from their Sugar Rush collection. This packaging is really pretty, you guys. And my lips are always dry, so I'm excited to try this. Oh my goodness. If you like cotton candy scent, you're definitely gonna love this. It smells super sweet, but I don't know, I really like this. I actually wanna put it on. Let me find a mirror or something so that I can put it on. I don't know, I just want to try it. Let's see. Oh, it smells delicious, you guys. The formula is super thin, and I had a regular lipstick on, and this oil did not interfere at all with my lipstick. It just gave it a little gloss finish. I'm pretty sure that you can use this alone. It does say that this is a lip oil, but you can probably use it similar as if it was a lip gloss. So this is really cool. So next up, I actually got another lip product, but this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is their Moon Jelly Lip Gloss. I'm actually just thinking that I just applied another lip product, but who cares? I'm just gonna put this on top. I just wanna see. I do have a few lip glosses from Anastasia, and this one, it's very interesting. I don't know if you're able to see it, but it does have an iridescent finish, which is really pretty. I don't know how it will look alone, but that's what I received. And the last product that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag is by the brand Eyeko London, their Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. This is what the little tube looks like. And the wand is pretty interesting. I'm sure that that will give you lots of volume, but I will definitely have to try it out. Regardless, I really like getting mascara samples. That way you can try out different brands. So that is pretty cool. I'm literally laughing at myself right now because I never told you what the theme is for November, but here it is. The theme for November is Be Present. It says #bless. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, you'll find that you are rich in reasons to be thankful. That is so fitting for this month because we celebrate Thanksgiving in November. And something that I have learned during this year with COVID, with everything that has happened, what a crazy year, right? I learned to appreciate little things more than what I used to before. Just things that we took for granted, you know? So this month, it's definitely so important to appreciate and just recognize the things that we are blessed to have, the people that we have in our lives, and just to be healthy. So yeah, this is the theme for November. So let me put that to the side. So now all I have left in my box is everything that comes in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I do want to mention that I actually have 6 products. And I know that Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has 5 products, so I don't know. I know that they include an additional product usually on the influencer boxes, but I just don't know which one it is. So I'm just gonna show them to you guys, but just know that you only receive 5 beauty products on your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is by the brand Trestique. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but this is their Good Vibes mascara. And what's interesting about this mascara is that it actually has a lash curler. Let me just show you. This is the first time that I open it, obviously, but once you remove the packaging, it looks like you can just, it has a little sign right here that says to flip it down. So you flip it down like that. There you have it. That is the lash curler. That is actually really interesting, but I'm actually curious because it looks very small. And I know that some people were saying that you really can't use it or it's not as good. Oh yeah, this is way too small for my lash line. So I guess, I mean, I already have mascara on and I normally do use my curler right before I do my mascara, but I think if you wanted to use this, oh, you have to be careful. I almost pinched my eyelid. I mean, you definitely cannot fit your entire lash line in one little press. At least in my case, you will have to do like 1, 2, 3 little presses in order to curl my entire lash line. And I don't know how that will work. I definitely have to try it out before applying my mascara, but I don't know, you guys, I have to try it out. Definitely the concept, it's really cool, but I wish it had an actual size, you know, like a bigger size of a curler. But I guess the concept, it's really cool. Let me show you the one. So this is what the one looks like, and that actually looks pretty similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's a slightly smaller though, but I really like this kind of ones because they do give you lots of volume. I will have to try it out for you guys later, but that is the first product that I received on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the next product that I received is by Kate Somerville. This is their Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Whenever you get skincare products, it's definitely worth it because skincare products can be expensive, but I am a little bit sad because I actually did receive this same exact product in my FabFitFun box. I don't recall if it was on my summer or spring box, but it was in one of those. So I already have one of these ones. I guess more to use. Alright, so next up I received a Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow palette. this is what the palette inside looks like, and I don't think I have used any of their eyeshadows. I know about them, but I just have never bought anything from them before. This palette, it's interesting because it's almost a neutral eyeshadow palette with the exception of that coral shade. If that wasn't in the palette, this will be an everyday neutral eyeshadow palette, but somehow you do get that pop of color. I'm swatching some of the colors just so that I can see how they feel. So those are the 3 top shades, and they are very pigmented. They feel really soft, so I will give it that. The other thing that I want to say is that, so it's 6 shades, right? But you get 5 matte shadows and only 1 shimmer. This is what the shimmer shade looks like. So it's pretty interesting that you get more matte shades in the palette than shimmers. But overall, it does have beautiful colors, and it's a pretty good size to take with you on the go. So I would definitely have to try that out. So next up, I received an eyeshadow brush set. This is by the brand F.A.R.A.H, and it says, "Be beautiful, be you." This is what the brushes look like. So you get 5 brushes in the set, and they do have a little label on the back that says what you can use those brushes for. You get a short and a large shading brush, a blending brush, flying wings brush, and a taper blending brush. So if you don't have that many eyeshadow brushes, I guess that is pretty cool that you get this in the box. I am sorry to be a little bit honest, but they do feel a little bit of a cheaper quality. That's just my opinion. But I mean, it's really cool that you get them in the box. It's something I could change about Ipsy Glam Bag is the amount of makeup brushes that they sent. I mean, it's okay to receive them 1 or 2 times, but every time that I receive a bag from them or other subscription boxes, they normally include a makeup brush. So that is something to note. Obviously, I did not get to customize my bags, but if you do get the option to customize your bag, you can definitely select different products. But in my case, this is what I received. I already have a lot of makeup brushes. That's just like a small collection of my brushes. So in my case, this is not that useful, but if you're just starting up with makeup, then for you, this is very convenient. And that actually takes me to my next product, that is another makeup brush. Let me just show you what this one looks like. This is actually a face brush, and it is by the brand MOTD, that it stands for Makeup of the Day. And I'm actually really excited about this one. This is a Perfect 10 face brush, and I have actually used some other products. They actually sent them to me before. Let me see if I can find a few. But here's a proof. I do have some of their makeup brushes, and they are really good quality. They're super soft, and I really love their little labels and names on the handles. Like this one is not in the box, obviously, or in the bag, I guess, but it is their beauty and the base. So they kind of have like little cute messages on their brushes handles, which is something really cute. This one, look at this one. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but it says conceal your secret. So this is for concealer. So that is pretty cute and funny. You know what I mean? If you're getting ready, doing your makeup, and you pick up their brushes and you read that, you know, little message like this one, that it is in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's called a Perfect 10. It's like if it's giving you a cute little message saying that you are perfect just the way you are. I mean, it's very uplifting if you're getting ready and you read that. So that is really cool, and this one feels really nice. So the last beauty product that I received on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag is this lip set by F.A.R.A.H. So I believe this is the same brand as the eyeshadow brushes set that I just showed you. This is their matte Voss liquid lip pigment, and I know that I said that the makeup brushes look a little bit cheap in quality to me. This packaging actually is the total opposite. When you look at the packaging, it's super cute and chic. It has like a glass bottle, but the cap, it has like a crown, little details, and it also has a bigger crown at the top. So this packaging actually looks way nicer than the brushes. Let me swatch all of them. The colors are really pretty though, and definitely beautiful colors for the fall time. So those are the 3 lip pigment swatches. Those are beautiful colors for the fall time. The formula, like I said, does feel a little bit liquidy, but I still have to try them on the lips to see how they dry and how they wear. But so far, I really love the colors. You get a deep red, you get a darker nude, almost like a brown color, and you get a mauve tone. So those are beautiful colors for the fall time. Definitely love the colors, but I will have to try them out like I said. But that is everything that I received in my November Ipsy Glam bag and also in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!